In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, go into Recorder app that's already on your device and tap on Allow or Allow while using in all available pop-ups if you never used it before. When you're ready, click on those three lines on the left, tap on this gear at the top right corner, and manage all of those options however you want to, like recording quality. After adjusting them perfectly, go back and finally start recording by tapping on the red button. Hit Allow and enjoy recording. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. Now name it whatever you wish to, and hit save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom. Hit up and or tap on those three dots at the top right corner to operate all of those. You can also go back, hold your recording here, and use all of those options instead, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!